Hello everyone, welcome to Learn It All Studios. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all 5 really easy to remember facts about Python. Fact 1. Python is a case-sensitive language, which means it is sensitive to both upper and lowercase letters, which leads us towards our fact 2 that says all the commands in Python are in lowercase. As you can see here, the print command in green color is in all lowercase letters. Fact number 3. The strings in Python are always enclosed in quotation marks, either double or single quotation marks. As you can see here, a string Learn It All Studios is enclosed in single quotation marks. Fact 4. The variable name in Python is separated by an underscore. As in our case, the variable name channel name is separated by an underscore. Fact 5 says that Python has 35 unique keywords that serve different purposes respectively, as the if, else, and elif keywords are used in conditional statements. That's all for this video. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Follow me on Instagram. See you in the next one.